Bangers and mash. Cooking for men and students. Vegetarian friendly. Bangers, for those of you not born in the UK, are sausages. Bangers and mash is a traditional English dish. Flup is certainly a word you'll be saying when you've eaten this meal. I'm flup. Full up. What you need: 1 bottle of wine, 4 medium-sized potatoes, half a swede, half a pack of 6 sausages, corn or pork, half an onion, 4 teaspoons of onion gravy granules, 4 dollops of margarine. What it will cost: meal for two, £2.81. Per person, £1.40½. Cooking time 50 minutes. Preparation 10 minutes. Cooking 40 minutes. 30 minutes for potatoes, 40 minutes for swede. What to do: open the bottle of wine and pour into a glass. Drink wine. Select 4 medium-sized potatoes, bigger ones if you're hungry. Peel potatoes. Dice potatoes. Wash potatoes in cold water. I knew a guy who washed his potatoes in soapy water. Don't do that. Place on stove on full heat. Put lid on pan. Cut swede in half. Peel 1/2 a swede. Cut into small chunks, smaller than the potato to cook quicker. Wash in fresh cold water. Place on stove, full heat, and put lid on pan. After about 10 minutes, when the potatoes and swede come to the boil, turn heat down to a simmer, tiny bubbles. When the potatoes and swede have been simmering for 10 minutes, place a frying pan on a low heat and add a little oil. Add the sausages to the pan. The oil can be olive, sunflower or vegetable. Skin and chop half an onion. Add a little oil to a second frying pan and add the onion. As they cook, turn the sausages and onion from time to time. Shake the pan or use a wooden spatula. The potatoes should be cooked in 25 to 30 minutes. The swede 5 minutes longer. Prod them with a fork and if soft, turn off gas. Boil a kettle of water. Place 4 heaped teaspoons of gravy granules into a measuring jug. Fill to half pint mark with boiling water and stir well. Drain potatoes in a colander and return to saucepan. Mash potatoes with masher. Add 4 dollops of margarine and mash again. Turn heat off sausages and onions. If swede is soft, drain and return to saucepan. Mash, add marg and mash again. Dish up. Add gravy. Serve with a glass of wine. You are guaranteed to say, I'm flup. Full up. Ladies, make sure your men hit the subscribe button so they have no excuse not to cook for you again.